of the seats them, you know. There's not, you know. The most side hole in the trunk, that's wonderful. Yeah. Alright. That needs to overload the trunk. Get the box seat on. Let's see progress. We ain't got that much left. Light ones up on the back seat. So almost at 4 more bags. I found 4 buckets. So that's not bad. Let's scan all 4 of these one time. So I have to finish. Alright, so finish picking up. Back is not kapot. Alright, last one this. That right, this one. That's supposed to be it. know, it's time to ride out. Woo! You ready to work, YouTube? Let's go. Alright. It's time to go on the road. Wow. Oh man. Hold on, hold on. Alright. Huh? Alright. Okay, later. Yeah. So as I was saying now, guys, let's start traveling. Make sure we get some charging on going on right here, so we don't get knocked out. Right. I'll just current because that thing was about to go. That's the only thing with my camera, alright? It worked well, but the charging run down real quick after a while. But it's a good camera, as you can see the quality of the film. It's 4K. 4K and then some. You know what I mean? Yeah. Move west. Let's see what's going on. That's what they say, right? Okay. I'm telling you right now, Amazon got it going on. I ain't gonna lie to you. Amazon, bro, you see all the stuff we're taking place right now in the world? Even government workers are lose their job, bro. So might as well go work for Amazon, I swear. Go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, I think that's the way right now. That's the way to go. Without even have to stress too much. You have a car, bro, get on the road. Or you go do some Uber.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Lorraine Street.
Just like, oh, look at this little under. It's just the pickup sometimes is the hardest thing. But the thing is, sometimes you go there, right, and you wait, and you don't get your card, right? Your card don't come out. So you know what happened? You end up getting paid for your time, cause you don't get the card. You can't go do your delivery. It's crazy. It happened to me a couple of times. So big up to Amazon, you know, they treat their workers well in that perspective. Like, I don't know the history of Amazon as anyone else, but for me myself, I don't have anything bad to say. So that's why I would encourage you to take the opportunity and make some money. That's all we all need. That's what we all need right now.
Turn left onto Clinton Street.
Up there, that's the BQE up there. You see that? BQE, man. See them packages in there. Yeah, last I do two vlogs on my channel about working, right? But you ain't never really see me
Turn right onto Mill Street.
loading up the car or anything like that, cause some other times my battery, you know, the camera thing go. Yeah. Full stop. Wow, look at that car over there. Bad, right? It's a Ford, you know. It's a Mustang. Bad. Bad.
Right onto Mill Street.
Bad, it's bad. You're welcome, man. Alright, little one.
In a quarter-mile, turn left onto Smith Street.
Yeah. Hospitality on the job, having a wonderful time. This is the greatest thing about going to work. You got to have some fun. If you're not having any fun in anything that you're doing, just find something else to do. Go do a painting or something. I don't know what to tell you, because no matter how much the job paying or how little the job paying, if you don't have any interest being there, don't go.